Students, good afternoon. I hope you're all off to a great start this week. I just wanted to touch base with you about what requirements and expectations you are going to encounter this week in your course. I also wanted to let you know that all Chapter 5 assignments and Chapter 4 assignments that were submitted for instructor grading have been reviewed. Scores have been entered. So if you need to go in to your Cengage gradebook to review any instructor feedback on those particular assignments, that would be like your math and the real world quiz for Chapter 5 or the test apply yourself, any of those. If you would like to go in and review your feedback, you can do so in your Cengage account. Moving forward into week 4, we're going to be starting Chapter 6, which is dealing with fractions. Chapter 6 is going to be located under Unit 2 Basic Principles, not only in your Canvas account, but also in your Cengage course. So probably the quickest way to access your assignments is to click on the Unit 2 Basic Principles. And then once it populates on the screen, you will actually have to scroll down to get to the Chapter 6 assignments. The Chapter 6 assignments will be listed here in the order that they need to be completed for you within the module. Notice that all these assignments will be completed in your Cengage account, and that to link out to those, you can just click on any of these assignments that have a link button next to them. The gray bar will populate on your screen. You can click on the gray bar and then it'll take you out to Cengage. Within your Cengage account, I'm under Unit View. Chapter 6 is going to be located under Unit 2 Basic Principles. So you can click the down arrow and then also click the down arrow for Chapter 6, and then all Chapter 6 assignments will appear for you. All assignments in Chapter 6 are due by September 24th, which is next Monday evening at 11:59 p.m. Please make sure that you complete all of your assignments before the deadline date expires. There will not be any extensions given on this particular chapter. Also, one thing that I would like to ask is that when you're completing your assignments, I've noticed that there has not been much of an issue with the skill sharpener activities. But when it comes to the math and the real world quiz, or the apply yourself, the test apply yourself that asks you specific questions, just to make sure that when you're answering those questions and providing feedback, that your feedback is specific to the question that's being asked. Meaning that if they ask you to, for example, list 3 other occupations that utilize math outside of the healthcare field, then make sure you list 3 other occupations that are outside of the healthcare field. That would be like accounting, business. I'm trying to think what else. Any career field pretty much utilizes it. But make sure that they're outside of the healthcare field and they're specific to the question that's being asked. Random feedback will not be allotted points. So just make sure that you're specifically answering those questions. If you need anything this week as you go about completing your assignments, remember you may always email me through your Canvas inbox to let me know. And just make sure that you're reading instructions on assignments. So if you have multiple attempts on assignments, that you're utilizing the multiple attempts to earn the maximum number of points possible. With that being said, I wish you the very best as you work through your Chapter 6 assignments this week. And I am monitoring your progress. So I just want you to know that. But once again, if you need anything, just be sure to email me through your Canvas inbox so that I can assist you and help you to stay moving. Hope you all have a great week.